Hi, this is Lewis and Rob with Gold Plating Services. We're going to be plating this casket crank today for a customer. We're using our Universal Chrome Edition, and we've already plated a little bit on one side, and we've just flipped it over. We're going to plate the other side and show you what the finished product looks like. We just kind of have it clipped on with a little copper wire there with our alligator clip. And Rob's going to start plating, talk to you a little bit more about the chemicals we use and how we plate. All right. Show you how easy it is.
All right, thanks, Lewis. All right, we've got electric cleaner here in the first spot, surface activator in the second, and our 24K brush gold gel solution. We're going to get set up ahead of time. We're going to put this up to about 7.5 volts. That's where you want it for your first two steps, the electric cleaner and activator. All right. This first step is really important, but with fresh nickel, it's pretty hard to mess up. So we're just going to go ahead and electric clean it for probably about half a minute. This should be bubbling and foaming. If it's not, your sleeve isn't soaked. That's a very common thing people will call and say, hey, it's not doing anything. But it's just because the first time you use a sleeve, it can take up to even like a half an hour to fully soak. After that first time, that's not an issue anymore. Just rinse that off real quick. Okay, and we just go straight to the surface activator. This is a necessary step. A lot of people overdo this step. Just briefly get everywhere. Make sure you get everywhere, but only get everywhere for, I don't know, 2 seconds. Then we're going to turn the voltage down to about 5 is where I like it, 5.5. Rinse this activator off. Make sure you never let it dry between steps. You really want to move from step to step pretty quick. That's a question we do get quite a bit. And here we go. Gold should pretty much just fly on there. If it's going on too slow, if it's taking a couple seconds, either your sleeve isn't soaked or you got your voltage too low. If your voltage is too high, you'll get burning, and burning kind of turns a brown, purple, weird color, and you'll see it turn up pretty quick. If that happens, you can clean it up with baking soda and water made into a paste. As you see, it's already fully gold plated. It looks great. And so I'm just going to go ahead and rinse it off, show you what it looks like. And two areas merge together perfectly, seamlessly. So you'd never even know that we did one side and then the other. For the purposes of the video, we're just going to do this little area. But if I were going to do this just as to get the job done, you could easily do half, flip it over, do the other half. So, you know, this would take you 5 minutes. And, yeah, anyway, so, again, this is the Universal Plater. And with our 24K Brush Gold Gel, it works great. And you can get this kit on our website at www.goldplating.com. It's in our brush plating kit section. We'll get you a link down below. And thank you very much for watching.